All right, February 5th, 2018. I just wanted to document some motor noises, and I'm going to start this up and then pull it out of the garage. I just changed the oil. I swapped it to a 0W20 for the winter to get lubrication up quicker, especially to those push rods. Boy, that sounds a lot better. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out now. Ooh, it locked. At all. It's a lot better than it has been. I also did a seafoam flush through the intake manifold, let it hot soak. I pulled off the brake booster suction line and ran it through there, and then let the motor hot soak for about 25 minutes, and then started it back up and burnt off everything that was in there. It took a while for everything to burn off. So, no, I'm pleased with my results for sure. Motor does not sound too bad. 220,000 miles. I don't think I'm going to take it out. I don't think I'm going to do anything. This motor mount is still good, but I think it's getting ready to go bad. It's got a little more flex in it than I like. This motor mount over here definitely needs replaced. These aren't common, but it is out, and I think it's causing some drag line bounces, which I do not like at all. And then there is an oil leak